Nature of roots of quadratic equation. And so quadratic equation's nature we find by the value of b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac is called as the discriminant of quadratic equation. Okay, and it is denoted by the Greek letter delta. This letter we call the delta. And now look how we find the nature of quadratic equation. So first, if value of b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then roots of quadratic equation are real and equal. It means value of this b square minus 4ac is 0, then quadratic equations are real and equal. Now second is, if value of b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then the roots of quadratic equation are real and equal. Greater than 0 means what? All values are positive. Then if b square minus 4ac's value are positive, then the nature of that quadratic equation is real and unequal. Okay. And third one is, if the value of b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then the roots of quadratic equation are not equal. Now less than 0 means what? All values of b square minus 4ac is minus, in the form of minus, minus 2, minus 3, like this. So nature of that quadratic equation are not equal. So value of b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then its nature is real and equal. And value of b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then its nature is real and unequal. And value of b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then its nature is not equal. Next point is to obtain quadratic equation having given roots. Now roots are given, and from the roots you have to find the quadratic equation. Okay, so let alpha and beta be the roots of quadratic equation in variable x. Therefore x is equal to alpha and x is equal to beta. These two are the roots of equation. So plus alpha goes on minus alpha. X minus alpha is equal to 0 and x minus beta is equal to 0. So this we written as like this: x minus alpha and x minus beta is equal to 0. Now here are two brackets. So two brackets multiplication do x multiply by x minus alpha, this x multiply by x minus alpha, and minus alpha multiply by x minus beta. Here are two brackets, then two brackets multiplication solve. Now first write x and x minus beta. X multiply by x minus beta, then minus alpha multiply by x minus beta. So x into x is x square and x into beta is x beta. Then alpha into x is alpha x minus alpha x. Then alpha into beta is alpha beta. Now look these two terms. From this what common is? X is common, na? And in bracket minus x is common. Here is minus, here also minus. So minus x is common, and in bracket alpha plus beta minus alpha beta. Now look these two terms. From this what common is? X is common, na? And in bracket minus x is common. Here is minus, here also minus. So minus x is common, and in bracket alpha plus beta minus alpha beta. From these two given roots we can find the quadratic equation. So this is the formula for finding the quadratic equation: x square minus x alpha plus beta and alpha minus beta. Practice set 2.5, question number 1. Quadratic equation a square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. B square minus 4ac is equal to 5 and b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 5. The nature of roots want to find here. So look, first what given: b square minus 4ac is equal to 5. So 5 is greater than 0, na? Value of b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then its nature is what? Real and unequal. And here what? B square minus 4ac is equal to minus 5. So look, value of b square minus 4ac is less than 0. Minus 5 is less than 0, na? Therefore its nature of root is not equal. Question number 2 is sum of roots is equal to -7 and quadratic equation we want to find and product of roots is equal to 5. So here quadratic equation we want to find. Here sum given and product is given. So how we find quadratic equation? By this formula. Na? So write x square as it is and sum how much? -7. So directly write alpha plus beta is -7 x plus alpha into beta product is what? 5 is equal to 0. So x square minus minus plus 7x plus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore quadratic equation is x square plus 7x plus 5 is equal to 0. Question number 2. Find the value of discriminant. Discriminant means what? B square minus 4ac. So first equation is x square plus 7x minus 1 is equal to 0. So comparing this equation, x square plus 7x minus 1 is equal to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore a is equal to 1. B is equal to 7 and C is equal to -1. So B square minus 4AC is equal to, B square means 7 square minus 4 multiplied by A is 1 and C is -1. So 7 square is 49. 49 minus this minus plus and 4 ones are 4. 49 plus 4 is equal to 53. Okay, now second question is 2y square minus 5y plus 10 is equal to 0. So comparing 2y square minus 5y plus 10 is equal to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 5 and c is equal to 10. So, b square minus 4ac is equal to, b square is what? Minus 5 square minus 4 multiplied by a is 2 multiplied by 10 is equal to minus 5 square 25 minus 4 to the 8 multiplied by 10. 25 minus 80 is equal to minus 55. Okay. Now third question is root 2x square plus 4x plus 2 root 2 is equal to 0. So comparing 2 root 2x square plus 4x plus 2 root 2 is equal to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, a is equal to root 2, b is equal to 4 and c is equal to 2 root 2. Okay. Now b square minus 4ac is equal to, b square is 4 square minus 4 multiplied by a is root 2 multiplied by 2 root 2. Now 4 square is 16 minus, now 4 root 2 multiplied by 2 root 2. So here 4 2s are 8 and root 2 get root get cancelled. So 2 remain only. So write 16 multiplied by 8 2s are 16. Therefore 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. Therefore value of b square minus 4ac is 0. Question number 3 is determine the nature of roots of the following quadratic equation. So first quadratic equation is x square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. So here you have to find the nature of roots of quadratic equation. So nature how we find? By b square minus 4ac. No? So therefore write comparing x square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now, therefore, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4 and c is equal to 4. So, delta is equal to, that b square minus 4ac we denoted by delta. Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. So, b square is what? 4 square minus 4 multiplied by a is 1 multiplied by 4. So, 4 square is 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. Therefore, delta is equal to 0. So, when b square minus 4ac's value is 0, then the roots are real and equal. Therefore, the roots are real and equal. So, now second question is 2y square minus 7x plus 2 is equal to 0. So, comparing 2y square minus 7x plus 2 is equal to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 7 and c is equal to 2. So, delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. So, b square is what? Minus 7 square minus 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So, 7 square is 49 minus 4 to the 8 multiplied by 2. 49 minus 16 is equal to 49 minus 16 is equal to 33. Value of b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Therefore, delta is greater than 0. Therefore, the roots are real and unequal. So, nature of this quadratic equation is real and unequal. Third question is m square plus 2m plus 9 is equal to 0. So, comparing m square plus 2m plus 9 is equal to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to 9. Now, delta is equal to what? B square minus 4ac. So, b square is 2 square minus 4 multiplied by a is 1 multiplied by 9. So, 2 square is 4. 4 minus 9 4s are 36. So, 36 minus 4, 32. Therefore, minus 32. Therefore, delta is less than 0. Therefore, the roots are not equal. If delta is less than 0, then roots are not equal. Number 4 is from the quadratic equation form the roots are given below. So, here roots are given and you have to find the quadratic equation. Roots are 0 and 4. So, let alpha is equal to 0 and beta is equal to 4. So, first find alpha plus beta is equal to 0 plus 4 is 4 and then alpha beta multiplication of these two. Then what? 0 multiplied by 4 is 0. So, for finding quadratic equation, our formula is what? X square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. So put here value x square minus alpha plus beta is what? 4. 4x plus alpha into beta is 0 is equal to 0. Therefore, equation is x square minus 4x is equal to 0. Now next question is 3 and minus 10. So let alpha is equal to 3 and beta is equal to minus 10. So alpha plus beta is equal to 3 plus minus 10. So 3 minus 10 is equal to minus 7. And alpha into beta is equal to 3 into minus 10 is equal to minus 30. Therefore, x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. So x square is, as it is right, x square minus alpha plus beta minus 7 x plus alpha into beta is minus 30 is equal to 0. So x square minus minus plus 7x plus minus minus 30 is equal to 0 is the quadratic equation. Next is let alpha is equal to 1/2 and beta is equal to minus 1/2. Therefore, alpha plus beta is equal to 1/2 plus minus 1/2 is equal to 1/2 minus 1/2 is equal to 0. And alpha into beta is equal to 1/2 multiplied by minus 1/2 is equal to minus 1 upon 4. 2 into 2, 4. So x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. So x square is minus alpha plus beta is 0. 0x plus alpha beta is minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 0. So x square, that 0 term eliminate. So here plus minus minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 0 is the equation. Next question, 2 minus root 5 and 2 plus root 5. So let alpha is equal to 2 minus root 5 and beta is equal to 2 plus root 5. Therefore, alpha plus beta is equal to 2 minus root 5 plus 2 plus root 5. Okay. So 2 minus root 5 plus 2 plus root 5. So this plus root 5 minus root 5 get cancelled. So 2 plus 2 is 4. So alpha plus beta is 4. And alpha into beta, 2 minus root 5 multiply by 2 plus root 5. So look, this is a minus b, a plus b, na formula of. So a minus b, a plus b is what? A square minus b square. So write 2 square minus root 5 square is equal to 2 square is 4 and root 5 square is 5 is equal to minus 1. So alpha into beta is minus 1. So our equation is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. So x square minus 4x plus minus 1 is equal to 0. So x square minus 4x plus minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is our required equation. Question number 7 is the roots of each of the following equation are real and equal. Find k. So here roots of following equation are real and equal given. Real and equal means what? The b square minus 4ac's values is 0. Okay. So find k. So first compare this equation with comparing 3y square plus ky plus 12 is equal to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, a is equal to 3, b is equal to k and c is equal to 12. Now, delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. So, b square minus 4ac, find it. K square minus 4 multiplied by a is 3 multiplied by 12. So, k square minus 4 3s are 12. So 12 multiplied by 12 is 144. So k square is minus 144. Delta is equal to k square minus 144. Now look, here given what? Roots of each of the following equation are real and equal. It means value of del is 0. Therefore, delta is equal to 0. The roots are real and equal. Now here put this value, del is equal to 0. Therefore 0 is equal to k square minus 144. So k square minus 144 is equal to 0. Like this also we written. Now k square minus 144 is what? K square minus 144 is 12 square. Na? So 12 square is equal to 0. This we written as k square k minus 12 and k plus 12 is equal to 0. A minus b, a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. That formula here used. Now k minus 12 and k plus 12 is equal to 0. Therefore, k minus 12 is equal to 0 and k plus 12 is equal to 0. Now, k is equal to, this plus minus goes on plus, k is equal to 12 and k is equal to minus 12. This plus goes on minus. Therefore, the value of k is 12 and minus 12. Second question is kx x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. First this equation solve. Kx multiplied by x minus 2. So what? Kx square, x into x square and this k minus 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. Now comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, a is equal to k, b is equal to 2k and c is equal to 6. Therefore, delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. Now, b square is 2k square minus 4 multiplied by a is k multiplied by 6. So 2k square, 4k square minus 4 into 6, 24k. Value of delta is 4k square minus 24k. And now roots are real and equal. Na? Real and equal. Therefore, delta is equal to 0. Now, put here value 0. 0 is equal to 4k square minus 24k. That is 4k square minus 24k is equal to 0. From this 4 is common. 4k is common. And in bracket k minus 4 6 are 24. k minus 6 is equal to 0. So 4k is equal to 0 and k minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore k is equal to, this multiply goes on divide, therefore 0 upon 4 and k is equal to, minus goes on plus 6. So k is equal to 0 and k is equal to 6. But k is equal to 0 is not possible. Because when we take k is equal to 0, that time that equation is meaningless. Now all equation is 0. Therefore it is not possible. And therefore value of k, the value of k is 6.